When the team at Google created Kubernetes, they paid particular attention to making sure that network communication was as simple and straightforward as possible. For instance, every pod gets its own virtual IP address called a cluster IP. This eliminates the need for port mappings. Furthermore, Kubernetes clusters have a flat network address space. Therefore, you don't need network address translation. These are examples of how Kubernetes simplifies networking. But there's still one big problem. Direct communication with a pod is unreliable. For one, pods are ephemeral. They can be deleted and recreated at any time. Additionally, a pod's cluster IP is not guaranteed to be stable. It could be changed at the most inconvenient time. These problems are bad enough when you're trying to communicate with a single pod. Life becomes a lot harder when you have a set of pods that you need to keep track of. That's why Kubernetes has a component called a service.